2001 BMW E39 525i-T for touring. The wagon. The engine and transmission are not in it. As you can tell, let me get to the other side. Interior wise, the back is full of, those are at the black E39 set of seats. And all the other pieces need to pull a E39 engine out. This one had 108,000 miles on it when the engine went. Transmission was good. I got it to pull the transmission out of that, put it in this car. Except that's a sedan. Transmissions are different. This transmission and engine are out. Okay, look at the wheels on this side. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 spokes. Go this side over here. Oh, look, different wheels. I got 3 of these. I don't think I have the 4th one. Hood is not the best. As you can see, the grill is missing. One of the grills are missing. But it is a touring. Have the complete exhaust, cats, and all that kind of stuff. There it is. 01, no title on this one, no title.